Now, this one t-shirt is actually making $833 each and every month. One t-shirt. Now, imagine if you had 10 of them. Now, the craziest thing is that I'm going to actually show you how to design this t-shirt on Canva. Even if you're a beginner, a very new person who've never designed anything before, I'm going to show you how to design this and even sell it if you want to sell it. So yes, welcome. If it's your first time here, welcome to today's lesson. My good name is Xian Della, your favorite print on demand coach, and I want to thank you for the privilege of your time today. So first things first, let's head over to Canva. That is canva.com. If you've never seen Canva, do not feel intimidated. The best way to learn is by watching and seeing how someone else is actually doing something, and then you're going to learn. So I'm going to try and make it a bit simple, very, very easy for new beginners. If you're a professional, please, I know some of the things might be slow for you, but you might catch some of the things that you might not even know, never know. So first things first, take a screenshot of this t-shirt, which I have done. It's on my desktop. Drag and drop. The dimension for design, this canvas size is 4,500 pixels. 4,500 pixel by 5,400 pixel. It is the standard design, that dimension that we print on demand sellers and creators use. It's a size that almost fits all. So first things first, when you open Canva, it's actually going to be white. So what I love doing, I love designing on black background, and you can actually see this is a dark t-shirt. Yes. So if you want to do that, click on the background layer, come up here, the color wheel, and just select black over here. It's normally white, but you can select black. Makes life much easier. Then we get to start designing. I love this design because it's very, very simple, extremely easy to do. So come here, let's search for wildflowers, and I think I'd already started searching for wildflowers to make this work much easier for us to save on time. Search for wildflowers, black and white. You can search for vectors, but to make it easier for everyone who's new to this, just search for black and white. Why? Because it allows us to change the color. Vectors on Canva, you can search for vector. Come here, black and wildflowers vector. Or you can just search for black and white. It's going to do the same thing. But I think I love this. I love this. So you can just randomly select flowers. It really doesn't matter. Flowers are flowers. It doesn't really need to be the same. But when it comes to design, just try to kind of like align them together. The sizing, the whatnot. So that's what we do. So that's the first flower down. Come here. Click color. Change to white. 1 down, 4 to go. It doesn't need to be the same though. It can be different. Let's go up and see. Those are rose flower. Where is it? Where is it? Well, no, we can just use this one. Yes, it doesn't really matter. Come here. Put it up there. Stretch it out. Change the color to white. Good. Let's see, magic recommendation. That's one thing I love about Canva. It actually recommends other flowers to you, and I love this one. I love this one. Drag, drop, click at the corner, drag it, just shrink it up a bit, change the color to white. I think one here, another one here. Let's go down and see if we can get something cooler and better. Maybe this one. Maybe that one. Let's see. Stretch it out. Bring it here. Try to resize it. The same size, almost same size. Do that. White and one more. We can do this one. It's a bit different. Let's flip this one. Click flip. Make it look that side. Come here. Stretch it out and change the color to white. We are good. So we're done with the flowers. Second thing we're going to do is handle the text. Spread kindness. Come here at the text box. At text box, say spread. It's a bit big. Click here. Clip it down. Click here to stretch it out. The box. Spread kindness. If I'm going too fast, do not worry. You can always rewind and watch as many times as possible. Designing takes time. That's why you don't get a lot of people doing design videos. It takes a lot of time, I'm just trying to rush it. I want to change the font. This, first of all, color to white. I want to make it white, and then I need to change the font to something slimmer, as slim as this. This is a very thick font. So I have an exact font that I am thinking about. It's called DTC, whatever. Where is it? Yeah, DTC Aloma. You can easily get this on the internet, anywhere on the internet. Just search for it. I can get it. Let me just align. I'm trying to align this with this. Good. Align it there. Perfect. So the next thing is like wildflowers. We can add a text box, but pro tip to save on time, what we normally do as pro designers, click here, come here, click duplicate, come down here. So first things first, where says like wildflowers. Like wildflowers, come here. We need to change the font. Come down here. I need a script font. This one, the handwritten fonts are normally called the script fonts. So I need this one, authenticity regular, but I see it's still capped, caps locked. It is, so it's uppercase. So click here, come here, click lowercase, click here, stretch it out to spread it very well. And you can see the design is coming through slowly. Come here. Yeah, it is a bit big. It's a bit big. So do I need a smaller font? So let me see. Come here. Let me see if I can get another smaller script font. Like wildflowers. Let's stretch it out and see. Can I get another? Let me do this. Let me try Canva Premium. Because the fonts I'm actually searching for are the fonts that I uploaded. So let's key a script font. Script font. Let's see. Oh, might work. It doesn't need to be perfect. Might work. Yes. Might work. Let's see if we can get another. Yes. Like wildflowers. Might work. Oh, looks amazing. Look at that. So we're good. The reference has been done, so we can delete the background layer. Click on the background, delete it, and see the magic. Bam! That is our design. Look at it. It's amazing. I love it. So let's just tweak it a bit. Make it smaller to fit there, like wildflowers. It is. I really can't make it. I can't read it really well. So let me see if I can get another font that I can read. Let's see. Nah. If you make it too slim as well, it won't print properly. Some print-on-demand providers really won't print properly. So let me just, there's a thing about design. There's a thing about, you never really get exactly what you want at times, but that works. I think it's good. Just works. Yes. So let me group this and let me just stretch it out a bit. Get to the corners over here. One thing about Canva, it has this guiding line. So I always try to get the guiding line. See the magenta colors, the guiding lines, bring it down a bit. Another pro tip, we need to space these flowers properly. Tap on them, click here, and then click space evenly, tidy up. It's a pro tip. Look at that. Automatically sizes everything up. Or we can stretch it up a bit and make the flowers now a line down here. There should be a line. You see that line. Stick it up. Good. Perfect. Click all of them again, and then let's delete it. Sorry. Select all of them, and then come here, space evenly, tidy up. We are good. I can group this, and then clip it on. Yes. There. Look at that. And we are good. We should be good. Look at that. Yes. And we have our t-shirt. Give me a second. Let me see. Yes. I think we are good. Spread like kindness. And that is good. So next thing, let me show you how to make this mock-up. This person never took this picture. All these things are just easily made using Canva. So I've made that t-shirt group. Sorry. Select all of them, group, and then move it up a bit. Yes, there. Perfect. Next thing is to make a mock-up. Come here and just type black t-shirt mock-up. So this is what this person did. Come here where the photos are. Come here. You can get this one. Almost the same aesthetics, give or take. No, will it fit perfectly? No, it doesn't fit perfectly. So let's do this. We can just get a person, though. Yes, we can get a person. We can get a person. Yes, let's get a person. And see if we can perfectly do this. So a person would actually sell more than just a t-shirt, by the way. Human beings sell better than just plain t-shirts. So grab all this, click here, copy. Let's go down. You can close this one here. Come here, paste, and then just size it up to the chest. Look at that. And look at that. We can move in a bit. And then I love just tilting either left or right 2 degrees max, because the human being is never, ever straight. Human beings are never straight. As in standing straight. The human body is never that straight. Okay, reduce the transparency to 85. Thereabout. I love that because now it makes it look more realistic. And there we have it. We have our design finished, ready to post on social media. Or if you want that exact one with just a t-shirt on, we can use something like this. A simple mock-up like that. And then we can simply just paste again because I think I had copied. Yes, it's there. Clip it, come here. Follow the guidelines. I love following the guides. You see the magenta guides are just there to guide you and help you. Get it there. Opacity reduced to 85%. And we're good. Look at that. You can go out and selling this t-shirt. Look at that. Yes, almost the same. Actually, I don't like the font, the script font I have here. I might change it if I have time. This was just for the lesson, for you to understand. Personally, as a designer, these are the things that just bug you. Simple things. Really doesn't matter a lot. I'm still inclined to this font. And I think it looks good. Look at that. I think it looks good. Yeah, I think this font looks better. I don't know. You tell me in the comment section below, this font or this other one. I don't know. You tell me. But that's how you design this simple wildflower t-shirt that is actually selling $800 each and every month. Now imagine if you just had 10 or 50 or 100 of such designs on print on demand. And this is the game we are playing called print on demand. If you want to play the same game, come down here, just scan this code and get to my live webinar right now where I teach you how to make designs. I teach you what print on demand is. It's right now. It is free. Scan this code right now. Right. Let me even zoom in for you. Scan that code right now. I'm waiting for you. And tell me what you think on the comment section below. Do you love today's lesson? Is it easy? What do you think? Tell me in the comment section below. And I can't wait to see you on the next one.